Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I will be doing a quick unboxing and giving you my first impressions of the all-new Galaxy S24 Ultra. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm doing a quick unboxing of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. I decided to pick this up in titanium yellow. I don't know why, I just wanted a yellow phone. There's many different colors. Yes, I'm excited about it. I know it's very close to the S23 Ultra, but that's a different video. In this video, I'm gonna just do a quick unboxing. We can go over the specs really quick, and then I'll come back and give you my first impressions after using it for a little bit. I'm gonna put my SIM card. I'm gonna retire my OnePlus Open for a little bit and focus on the S24 Ultra. But let's get into it. I decided to pick up the phone from Samsung. I am trading in my Z Fold 5, and so I got this one pretty cheap. I did pick up some cases too, which is pretty cool, and I think I have another case somewhere too. But we'll get into it. But let's do a quick unboxing. Unboxing is pretty boring anyway. But here's a box. You see it. S24 Ultra there. They have these little pull things here, so they make it easier to open, maybe. Especially if you have fingernails. Like, since I don't have fingernails, the box is trolling me on my own video. Oh my goodness. Oh, look, oh. I don't know if my camera will represent the color on here good enough, but this is delicious. And look at the flat screen too. Hold on. But look at that flat screen. And what else do you get in the box? There's not much else in here. You get your SIM card slot remover tool, and you get your USB cable. I don't even know where the SIM card slot remover is, but this is what you get in the box. I mean, it's pretty boring when you think about it, but we've been dealing with it for years now, so there's nothing to really say about it. That's what you get in the box. So that's the unboxing part of this video. Let me go ahead and start this bad boy. Oh, but look at, man. I like the titanium sides too. The back is not, you're not gonna get fingerprints on there either. What y'all think about the flat screen on here too? That is pretty cool. Do I have power on this phone? It is definitely like boxy feeling too. Maybe I don't have power. Oh, there we go. While that's starting up, let's go over the cameras on the back. You have a quad setup there. You have a 200 megapixel wide shooter. You have a 12 megapixel ultra wide, a 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom on it. And then you have a 10 megapixel 3x optical zoom camera. So you can zoom on here really good. You know, Samsung is becoming well known for zooming in and taking those really close-up videos and photos with their phones. We'll test out the cameras more. I might even put it against the OnePlus Open, maybe even my Z Fold 5 before I turn it in. The front camera, you have a 12 megapixel camera, which is the normal camera there. I wish it was a little bit, you know, better, but it is. Now on the cameras, you can shoot 8K on the rear cameras, and then 4K is 60 is the highest you can shoot in the front. They do have the S24 Ultra. The big thing about the S24 Ultra now is the AI technology, which is also coming to their other lineup. So if you have the S23 Ultra, you may not want to upgrade, but that's another video too. Now, this comes with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset on here, made for the Galaxy. So the S23 Ultra was a battery beast, so hopefully with the new chipset, it should run smooth. You shouldn't have any problems with it. Also, it has Android 14 on it straight out the box. It has 12 gigs of RAM. It comes in 256, 512, and 1 terabyte of storage. I have the 512 gigabytes. They was giving that for free as a promotion for Samsung. That front panel, I mean, Samsung is known for the panels too. That is a 6.8 inch dynamic AMOLED panel. I think the ratio or the thing is 1440 by 3120. It has 2600 nits of brightness on here, so you're going to be able to see this screen in the middle of the day in Texas without any issues. So that is kind of exciting there too. The sides are made out of titanium. Look, ooh, look at that. And I mean, the design is pretty much like the S23 Ultra though, but I mean, it's just a new phone, y'all. Just a new phone. It has a 120 hertz refresh rate, up to 120 hertz refresh rate. It is a quad HD panel. I mean, the things that you suspect from Samsung are there. The great panels, the great design, the build quality is all there. The front display is made out of the new Gorilla Glass Armor, which is supposed to be less reflective too, so we'll test that out too. All right, so let's continue to go over the phone real quick. You have your volume rockers on this side, your power button at the bottom, your charging port, you have your SIM card slot. It still has a SIM card slot, a microphone there, microphone there, speaker, and yes, the pen is included. So with the yellow phone, you get a black pen. I wish it was yellow, but you have the S Pen built in there. Also, it does have a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, which is great, and it charges like 45 watts, so you just need a good charging brick on here. But what I like to do now is pause the video. I want to come back and give y'all my first impressions on it, so stay tuned. I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, so I'm back. I've been actually using the phone for about the last 7 hours now, so I'm gonna give you my 7 hour later impressions of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. There's some things I want to go over. First thing, the back of the phone is slippery. Get yourself a case. If you're prone to dropping your phone, please get a case for this one, because this back is slippery, but just look how beautiful it is. I love the matte finish, because one thing it doesn't do is attract fingerprints at all. The titanium size feels good in the hands, ladies. Pause. I love how the titanium size feels when you're holding it. I don't know, maybe it's just in my mind, maybe it's just a mind thing, but they feel really good. The display, the 6.8 inch dynamic AMOLED Quad HD panel is really, it's bright, but look at the colors, man. Like watching YouTube on here, it's been really good. You know, going on Twitter and trolling people, everything's smooth with the 120 hertz refresh rate. Samsung knows their panels and they do a great job. I love how flat the panel is. Look how flat that is. I love the boxy feel of this phone. I love the premium build quality. I mean, it just feels like you have a premium phone in your pocket or in your hands at all times. So now, will I start hating this phone? Will I have problems? I have to test it out more. This is just the first impression. So far, I am enjoying it. I need to do more camera tests. I want to do a gaming review on here. The fingerprint scanner is always good on the Samsungs, but I think this one's even quicker, like amazingly fast. Even setting up the fingerprint scanner is totally different. You have to hold it. All right, so let's check that out. Oh, I also have 41 gigs of storage to use. So out of the 512, I'm only using 41 gigs, which is not bad. But let me go back to the fingerprint scanner. Let's see. I gotta remember where all these apps are. So I'm gonna add another fingerprint. But watch when you're adding it. You just put your finger on it until it highlights it all the way around, and then you let go. And you can go around. Just make sure your finger's in there. And there's no second guessing it. You just hold it into the circle, goes around it, and it works 100% of the time. I haven't had a miss fingerprint scan yet. I mean, it's just quick. But overall, I am enjoying the phone. I'm excited to use it. Y'all let me know what other videos you want to see from me on this device. I'm gonna do a gaming review. I'll probably do a camera test. maybe some 4K videos on here. I have a bunch of case reviews to do. Like, I already did some first looks on cases, like the Rinky cases here. I also have some Samsung cases to do. So I'm going to do case reviews, but y'all let me know in the comments what other videos you want from me. I will have the links in the description if you want to pick up this phone. You can definitely do so to help out the channel. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.